Today, I'm going to share my top 10 most bullish gems for this upcoming bull run in crypto. There's a wide range of projects ranging in market cap size and also ranging in the sector that they encompass. I am not giving you guys financial advice in this video. You need to do your own research on all of these projects. However, I believe each and every one of these projects can promulgate huge gains this bull run, stretching between maybe a 30x all the way up to 200x gains this crypto bull run. If that sounds interesting, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I upload every single day on my channel, keeping you guys updated with the latest and the greatest projects. Also, make sure to check out my Patreon page if you want to gain access to the latest and greatest low cap gems way before the rest of the crowd are made aware. My patrons get early access to all my projects, and I highly recommend that you join. On to the first project in this list, and this is the lowest risk project out of all of them, and that is QNT. I believe this project is hugely underrated. I think it's got a huge potential and huge future in crypto. It's sitting at a current market cap of 1.5 billion. And the tokenomics are absolutely perfect. $100 in price. I think anywhere around $100 on Quant is an absolute bargain. It's an absolute steal. I think this bull run Quant is going all the way up to 1,000, maybe even 2,000, thus being able to make you guys a 20x on your money. I think it's very possible, especially with the fact that there's a growing need for interoperability in crypto. Quant is well established. It's got really good partnerships and it's very interoperable. Therefore, I believe this is going to be one of the best projects out there to buy if you want a low risk investment. Onto a more higher risk project now, we have Hello. Now, this is one of my most bullish projects heading into this bull run, if not my most bullish, because of the fact that it's in the entertainment sector and it is multifaceted within the entertainment sector. It has a TV series such as the Killer Whales TV series. It has its Hello Arcade, and it also has NFTs. So this crypto project is getting all of the boxes ticked when it comes to hype sectors within crypto. We know NFTs promulgated a huge amount of hype last bull run, and I think they're going to get a lot of hype this bull run as well. Gaming got a lot of hype last bull run. I think it's going to stay the same this bull run. And their Killer Whales TV series is a very unique thing. So they've got a USP as well. They're not just a copy and paste gaming project. They're also including TV series. And that is thanks to Paul Caslin, who has a plethora of experience in the music industry. And he has a very good network when it comes to the likes of Rihanna, Eminem, Shawn Mendes, and many more people in the music industry. Moving on, we have Myria. This is another gaming style crypto. I think this one, again, is underrated, as are most of the projects in this list. For whatever reason, Myria has been dumping since its launch, right? It launched in April 2023, and since then it has gone on to dump in price. Now, I actually believe these levels in price are your last chance to buy Myria at very low prices. It could dip a little bit lower, but I think around this range of 0.001, I think is a huge steal for Myria. The market cap is going to be huge this bull run in my eyes. And there is going to be some extent of dilution because I believe there's around an 8% circulating supply. But that's not going to be too much of a worry because I think the money is going to flow into this project. And because it's so small in market cap, it's going to absolutely pump in my eyes. The games look good quality. They've got very good partnerships as well. Ubisoft, Activision, EA, Marvel, many more. Highly recommend doing some research on this project and checking it out. The next project is Checkdot. The ticker for it is CDT. This is quite a degen cryptocurrency. If you're looking for quite a niche sector, a quite high-risk cryptocurrency, that is exactly what Checkdot is. It has a $1 million market cap, 73% circulating supply, and it's extremely interoperable with the different blockchains. You can see here, it's built on BNB, Aptos, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, and Arbitrum. So it's on basically every single layer 0, layer 1, layer 2 that you can get in crypto. So very good project. What is it doing, you may be asking? It's doing basically crypto insurance. So you pay monthly and you get your crypto assets insured, whether it's on an exchange such as KuCoin, you can see here, $60,000 on KuCoin you can get insured on, or whether it's just simply a stable coin such as USDC or USDT. Checkdot is there to insure your crypto assets and make sure you navigate crypto in a safe manner. So very unique type of project. They're also doing other things as well, not just insurance. They're doing things like keeping crypto safe with their browser extension, with their kind of scanner type thing that they have. Highly recommend doing some research on this token. It's relatively new as well. It only came out in the very heights of the bull run, right? 2021. So it never had a full bull run. It literally launched as Bitcoin was reaching its all-time high, heading into a bear market. So I think this cycle, it's going to see some huge gains, considering that it's already at the price levels that it was at the heights of the last bull run when it launched. The next project on this list is Fabwelt, another high-risk degen project here. $1.3 million market cap, pretty much a 50% circulating supply, which is always good to see. And again, it's a relatively new crypto launching at the very heights of the last bull run. I believe a lot of people are going to look at this project as an alternative to some of the other gaming cryptos that pumped last bull run, because people are looking for fresh, new projects on the market. They don't just want to invest in Decentraland, Gala, and Meta Hero. People are looking for new upcoming projects. Now, one thing I'll say about Fabwelt, the website isn't amazing, right? They need to improve it if they want to be seen as a serious project. But the games themselves are very, very good. And people are actually playing these games, particularly Arsenal, which is a battle kind of shooter game. You can see here kind of the graphics. It looks like a decent game for a crypto project anyway. Fanwelt as well is another game that they have. And they have H2O boat racing. So they've already got a few different games on their platform, and I imagine heading into the bull run, they're going to have even more games, even more opportunities to use the token and basically play. So very good project. It is high risk, don't get me wrong, but it could pay off. All you need for this one to do a 100x is the market cap to go to 130 million. And trust me, guys, in crypto, those types of gains are not rare at all. They're very, very common. Next, we have Trias Lab. The ticker for it is Trias. This has a $28 million market cap and 97% circulating supply. And this is a project from last bull run, right? So it's not completely new, but I still think the hype is there. I still think this project can perform very, very well. $2 price, right? Not going to have much dilution at all. It's a layer 0/layer 1 type of project. Very good. People are looking for the next upcoming layer 1s, the next upcoming layer 0s. And you can see on their website here, it says an all platform supported server, PC, mobile, IoT, etc. native application for smart contracts. So smart contract platform there, loads of benefits to it. There is a lot of jargon on the website that you need to kind of read through to really understand what the project is, but I think it's going to perform well, and a lot of people are talking about it. In terms of an AI pick, I have Singularity Dial for you. This has a $32 million market cap, so it's relatively small, 84% circulating supply, and this is a Singularity Net AGIX ecosystem project. It has a launch pad, so whenever a Singularity project needs money to basically launch, it will go through Singularity DAO's launchpad. You can see some of the ones they've already done. So Viaverse, Rejuve, Hypercycle, Cogito. Basically, when a project on the AGIX ecosystem wants to raise money, they will go through this launchpad essentially. And that isn't all for Singularity DAO. They have this really interesting thing called Dynasets, which is essentially AI-backed asset management. So it's going to basically do trading with your assets, trading with different cryptos, and essentially make you money without you even having to do anything. Now, it's a relatively new idea, but I think it will perform very well. That's not it for Singularity DAO. They also have a DEX, so you can swap basically tokens on the Singularity Net AGIX ecosystem. Really, really good project, and I think it's viciously underrated. Look at that price compared to where it was last bull run. I think it's pretty much guaranteed that we go back to those levels, if not a lot higher. I'm looking at a potential 30 to 50x on this project, maybe even higher for the bull run, depending on how big AI is. Next, we have Altura. Very good project here in the whole NFT gaming section. It's got kind of the crossover between NFTs and gaming. Basically, what Altura are doing is building the back end for games, doing the NFTs. Smart NFTs is essentially NFTs that change over time, such as a weapon. Maybe it upgrades, maybe it updates, or it gets worn away the more you use it within a game. So very interesting project. They're already being used by loads of different gaming projects. You can see some of them here. Alex Becker as well supports this project, which adds to the kind of marketing side of things. Very strong project. I'm looking at it to do a 100x this bull run and go into a market cap of around 2 billion. On to the most degen of the list, we have Quick Intel. The ticker for it is Quickie, and it has a $1 million market cap and a 74% circulating supply. If you want a project to take a gamble on, if you want a really high risk, brand new project that no one even knows about, this is the project for you. It literally launched in March. They're doing all sorts of things to keep crypto a safe place, essentially providing crypto tools such as a crypto scanner. I'll show you guys right now that it's literally implemented within DEX tools. If you don't know what DEX tools is, this is one of the most commonly used crypto platforms for degen investors. Let's say I go onto the kind of recently updated projects, right? So we can see here, for example, this coin here, right? It's called Bitcoin, but it's not. Harry Potter, Obama, right? Whatever it is. We could scroll down and we can see here check audits. We click on check audits and you can see right there Quick Intel. It's on every single project pretty much on DEX tools. You click on that and Quick Intel is going to do their work. They're going to do their scan using all their different kind of code that they've set up. And you can see some of the things that it's going to bring about. You can see the top holders. You can see the taxes. You can see the holders. You know, has it passed the honeypot test? What warnings are coming up? Those types of things it can essentially do. And it's a really valuable tool for crypto. Now, you may be asking, why does it have a token? Well, if you upgrade with staking your tokens, you can essentially get way more tools and way more kind of features within the Quick Intel platform, such as AI technology and much, much more. So it is a new project. I can see them growing and adding even more tools, kind of being similar to a DEX tools as a project. It's just going to be interesting to see what they do. But remember, guys, this is a high-risk project. It's the type of project I just throw $200 in, leave it for the bull run, and see what happens. It is pretty difficult to buy, but that is part of the reason why it's so small. Once it's listed on centralized exchanges, I imagine the price is going to pump a lot more. So if you do want to buy it, you need to buy it on SushiSwap. Pretty complicated to buy, but there are some YouTube videos explaining it. The final project on this list is none other than Casper. $736 million market cap, 20 out of 28 tokens, so you're not going to have much dilution there. It's a very, very strong project in my eyes. And I think these levels in price are a really good opportunity to start picking up some Casper. I think this bull run, it can do huge gains. Anywhere between a 20 to a 100x, I think is possible. In terms of probable, I think a 40x is the most probable outcome from these current levels. Now, that doesn't mean it can't do more. That just means that that's the most probable, right? There's a huge difference between possibility and probability, and that's what some people need to learn in the crypto space. Now, let's talk about Casper. Let's talk about what they're doing very quickly. Essentially, Casper is a block DAG, which means that it's got the benefits of a blockchain, but also the benefits of a DAG. So it's very, very scalable, but also has the security of a proof of work blockchain and the decentralization of a proof of work blockchain with the fair launch. And just in general, proof of work blockchains are much more secure than proof of stake projects and more decentralized. So I believe in it. I think it's going to do very, very well. You can see here how the kind of technology works and the visualizer. You can see it's very, very fast. This may change once they have smart contracts and they have more projects built on their ecosystem, but it's not going to be too concerning for me. This is a very good community project, and I think the gains are definitely going to be there. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to gain access to more low cap gems, some of which I haven't mentioned in this video, go ahead and join my Patreon group. In that group, I'm dropping the latest and greatest micro cap gems. Most of them go on to do crazy, crazy returns. I'll show you right now a project which I called and went on to do a 50x in this bear market, by the way, guys. Not in the bull run, but in this bear market. We're talking none other than Viot. My Patreons and myself were buying it all the way down here, and we gained around a 50x on our money, turning $1,000 into $50,000. Check out the Patreon group. You won't regret it. Just join for 1 month, see the value, and I'm sure you will continue paying. The VIP Plus tier is the one that most people go for. In that tier, you get the buy alerts, you get the sell alerts, and you gain access to my portfolio, as well as a VIP Telegram group. Finally, if you want to be even more serious, go for that VIP boss tier. There's only 11 places remaining. This is probably going to run out quite soon. You can book a one-to-one call with myself on that group. I can go over any of your crypto needs, whether it's managing a portfolio or anything like that. I can help you. And you basically get priority when it comes to messaging myself. Any questions you have, I've got you sorted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.